In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zapier to Notion, focusing on tokens, triggers, and actions. This integration can help streamline your productivity by automating tasks between these two platforms. Let's dive right in. First, we need to create a Notion integration. Head over to the Notion API website and find the section to create a new integration. Here, you'll be prompted to name your integration, and it's a great idea to choose something descriptive that will remind you of its purpose. Once named, you'll get a unique token. This is effectively a key that allows Zapier to access Notion on your behalf. Make sure to keep this token private and secure, as it acts as the bridge between your apps. Next, it's time to connect Notion to Zapier. Log into your Zapier account and go to the My Apps section. You'll see an option to connect a new account, so select Notion from the list. A prompt will appear for you to enter the token you generated earlier. This is why keeping it handy is crucial. By entering this token, you're linking Zapier to your Notion environment, allowing it to perform actions and retrieve data as needed. Once you've got Zapier and Notion talking to each other, it's time to set up your triggers and actions. In Zapier terminology, a trigger is an event in an app that can start a workflow. For instance, when a new page is added in Notion, that's a trigger. On the other hand, an action is the actual task that Zapier will perform, like updating a database or sending a notification. Decide on a workflow that makes sense for your needs. Perhaps you want new entries in Notion to trigger an email alert or add tasks automatically to your task manager. Zapier makes it easy to customize these processes with its user-friendly interface. Before fully launching your Zap, it's important to test it. This ensures that everything is correctly set up and working seamlessly. In Zapier, there's a test feature that simulates your trigger and action, allowing you to verify the results. If the test shows that data is flowing as expected, you're all set. Finally, once you're satisfied with the test, don't forget to turn on your Zap. This is the last step to make sure your automation is actively running and performing tasks without manual intervention. You'll be notified through Zapier when actions occur, giving you peace of mind that your automation is running smoothly. By following these steps, creating a Notion integration, connecting it to Zapier, setting up triggers and actions, and testing your workflow, you'll have a powerful automation system up and running in no time. Enjoy the ease and efficiency that this integration brings to your everyday tasks.